What's up, future innovators? Are you ready to peek into the crystal ball of technology? Today, we're diving into the most exciting project ideas for 2026, using tech that's just starting to blow up. If you're a student, a developer, or just someone who loves to build cool stuff, this video is for you. We're going beyond the usual app ideas and into the real cutting-edge territory. So grab your notebook, get your brain ready, because we're about to explore the future. First up, let's talk about something truly mind-bending: generative physical avatars. We all know about digital avatars, but what about bringing them into the real world? Imagine using generative AI, not to create a 2D image, but to design a 3D printable model of a unique, personalized robot or companion. Your project could be an end-to-end system where a user types a prompt like a friendly four-legged robot that can carry my books, and your software generates the 3D model, the blueprint for its circuits, and maybe even basic movement code. You'd be blending AI creativity with robotics and 3D printing. It's a massive challenge. But imagine the final result: a truly one-of-a-kind physical creation brought to life by AI. Next, let's venture into healthcare with hyper-personalized nutrition systems. We're not just talking about calorie counters. Picture a system that uses a continuous glucose monitor, a smartwatch for activity tracking, and maybe even a small, non-invasive sensor you're developing yourself to analyze sweat or saliva. Your project would be the AI brain that connects all this data. It would analyze real-time biomarkers to give instant food and lifestyle recommendations. For example, your app could message you, "Your energy is dipping. A handful of almonds right now would stabilize your blood sugar better than a banana." This project dives deep into AI, IoT, and bioinformatics, with the potential to genuinely improve people's daily health. Let's switch gears to something that could reshape our cities: dynamic road infrastructure using swarm robotics. Forget static traffic lights. Envision a swarm of small, durable, and interconnected robots that can reconfigure roads in real time. Your project could be a simulation of this first, or even a small-scale physical model. These robots could create a new lane during rush hour, designate a pedestrian-only zone for a street festival, or clear an emergency path for an ambulance, all in a matter of seconds. You'd be working with swarm intelligence algorithms, robotics, and complex systems simulations. It's a bold vision for the smart city of the future, and you could be the one to lay the groundwork. Now for the creatives and storytellers out there: interactive neural storytelling. We've seen AI generate text and images, but what if the story evolved based on the reader's actual emotional state? Your project could use a webcam and emotion detection AI to analyze a reader's facial expressions as they engage with the story. If the AI detects fear, the narrative could introduce a comforting element or character. If it senses curiosity, it could reveal a new clue or a deeper layer of lore. This isn't just a choose-your-own adventure story, it's an adventure that chooses you based on your feelings. You'd be at the intersection of AI, creative writing, and human-computer interaction, creating a brand new form of entertainment. Let's get practical and talk about a huge real-world problem: water scarcity. My fifth idea is an AI-powered atmospheric water harvester optimizer. Atmospheric water generators already exist. They pull moisture from the air, but they can be very energy-intensive. Your project would be the AI system that makes them smart and efficient. Using real-time weather data, satellite imagery, and local sensor readings, your AI would predict the optimal times and locations to operate the harvester. It would calculate humidity, temperature, and air pressure to run the device only when it can produce the most water for the least amount of energy. This is a project with massive environmental and humanitarian impact, blending AI with clean tech and atmospheric science. Have you ever lost something important? Idea number 6 is a personal object tracking system using quantum dots. This is where we get really futuristic. Quantum dots are tiny nanocrystals that can be engineered to emit light of a specific color. Imagine creating a safe, non-toxic ink made of these dots, each with a unique optical signature. You could place a nearly invisible mark on your phone, your keys, or your wallet. Your project would be to build a special camera app on your phone that can recognize these unique signatures. So instead of a beeping tag, you just scan a room with your phone's camera, and it would highlight your lost item on the screen. You'd be diving into nanotechnology, materials science, and computer vision. Next, let's protect our digital world with self-evolving cybersecurity defenses. Traditional security systems rely on known threat signatures, but what about brand new, zero-day attacks? Your project could be an AI agent based on reinforcement learning that lives inside a network. Its job isn't to look for specific viruses, but to learn what normal network behavior looks like. It would constantly evolve its own defensive strategies. If it detects a strange new pattern of data transfer, it could isolate that part of the network, create a honeypot to trap the potential attacker, and learn from the attack method, all without human intervention. This is a leap into the next generation of autonomous cybersecurity. And for our final idea, let's step into the world of augmented reality within our cultural and historical overlay. Think Pokémon Go, but for history. Imagine walking down a street in Rome, holding up your phone or wearing art glasses, and seeing an ancient Roman market bustling with activity in that exact spot. Your project would be the platform that allows historians and communities to pin rich, interactive media to real-world locations. You could see historical figures giving speeches, watch ancient buildings reconstruct themselves, or access old maps layered over the modern city. This project combines our development, GPS technology, and digital humanities to make history come alive in a way no book ever could. So there you have it, 8 ambitious, forward-thinking project ideas for 2026. From physical AI avatars and hyper-personalized health to quantum tracking and self-aware cybersecurity. The future isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we build. These projects are challenging, no doubt about it, but the most rewarding journeys always are. Pick one that sparks your passion, start small, and see how far you can push the boundaries of what's possible. Which of these ideas got you the most excited? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think or if you have any other futuristic project ideas to share. If you enjoyed this journey into 2026, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explores the cutting edge of technology. Thanks for watching, and keep building the future.